Couches, cabinets, light fixtures, anything you might need for your home can be found at the Restore, a home improvement and donation center run by Habitat for Humanity. Whether you want to donate or you're looking to buy, the Restore uses its resources to build homes and better the community. Matthew Stewart is the manager of the Restore and has been working with Habitat for Humanity for years.
We get donations every day. We go out on our truck and pick up donations every day. And we pick them up for free. So it's a great service to the community. If they're wanting to get rid of something and we can resell it here, there's no better way.
Every year, Habitat for Humanity uses donations from the community and building material from the Restore to build and furnish homes. Each build is run by volunteers of all backgrounds and abilities.
I had some free time when I retired from the job while I was starting another one, and I seen the opportunity to be able to help out, and so it's been a great opportunity for me.
Retirees like Norm volunteer on Tuesdays and Thursdays for each build.
I just volunteer 1 or 2 days a week. There's a group of retirees that meet, so not only do we work, it's also a family type, know each other and the families, and a lot of camaraderie going on.
But there's volunteer opportunities, there's donation opportunities, there's lots of opportunities to contribute to Habitat for Humanity.
Not only are we supplying building materials for that home, but if that home needs a vanity and sink, if that home needs appliances, if that home needs trim, if it needs outlet covers, basic things, then we're helping supply those on top of just specific building materials.
If you want to learn more about the Restore or Habitat for Humanity, go to LafayetteHabitat.org or drop by the Restore at 3815 Fortune Drive. For Life on the Wabash, I'm Courtney Bragg.